Hi children, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4 vocabulary junction, grammar junction and phonics junction. So let us see what is in the vocabulary junction. All of you take your textbook and see vocabulary junction. A new term is there you have to learn is simile. Simile means basically its meaning is we have to compare, okay, like this. I am like this, she is like this. We are comparing with some other things, that is simile. It is used to compare two dissimilar things, means the things won't have any similarities. Dissimilar things using the words like or as. It is important. Simile means we are comparing two dissimilar things by using like or as. Two words like then as. Sometimes we can either like or as. Any one of the word, that is simile. Use this word to compare two dissimilar things. That is called a simile. See the example. The river looked like a snake. See, a river is there and a snake is there. So dissimilar things are there. So how the river is? It is looking like what? A snake. It's real, right? Snake is also little long and river is also. So the river looks like a snake. So the word like we used here as simile, and the simile is means we are comparing river to a snake. How can we say? The river looked like a snake. He is as strong as an ox. So when you are using as, you have to keep two as strong as. With the word you have to use two as strong as. He is as strong as an ox. So what is the comparison? He, the person, is compared with the ox. Here we use the simile as. And how can we write? He is as strong as an ox. Okay. The mud looks like chocolate. So comparing again the mud as you know, the mud, how it is? Like chocolate. He is as tall as a tree. Again by using the simile as, he is. So here with the adjectives you have to use as before and after the term, after the adjective. He is as tall as a tree. Comparing, he is comparing with a tree. Chinnu seems like a fish. Again like is there. How she seems? Like a fish. Chinnu like a fish. She seems like a fish. That is simile, means comparing two dissimilar things are compared by using either like or as. That is simile. Next in the phonics junctions for your reading, letters O and U are pronounced in the same way as in covered and cuddly. See the spelling here. C-O-V-E-R-E-D and C-U-D-D-L-Y. Spellings are different. O is there, U is there, but the pronunciation is A sound. Covered, cuddly, but the spelling is different. C-O is there, C-U is there. How to read? A sound. Covered, cuddly. See the words us, cover, up, mother, gum, none. All are in A sound, but the spelling here is U and here it's O. U-S, us, C-O-V-E-R, cover. Okay. So more words are there, you have to read. Now moving to the grammar junction. There you have to learn a term about adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency means how the action happened or how often, time of an action. Means first we can see what's an adverb, used to what? Qualify or modify the verb. What or how our action is writing beautifully, neat handwriting. So the verb, the action we are modifying, that is adverb. See the example, the baby was crying loudly. Crying is the verb and we are using the adjective loudly. How she is crying, how the baby is crying? Loudly. He ran quickly. How he ran? Very fast, quickly. Then this is important, the words never, sometimes, usually, often, occasionally, seldom, rarely and always. These are the main adverbs of frequency. You have to by heart it. Never, sometimes, usually, often, occasionally, seldom, rarely, always. These are the main, basic, not all, it is the main adverbs of frequency are adverbs that tell us how often an action, it is important how often, when it happens, how often an action or activity even take place. So, adverbs of frequency means answer to the question how, okay, and how often, time of an action, okay, that is adverbs of frequency. Then see the example, I usually play football in the evening. I usually play football in the evening. So, it is a regular habit. How and when? It is a regular habit that we can understand. I usually means always, means regularly play football in the evening. All evenings he is going in the ground and playing football. So, usually here means always, it is a frequency, time of an action, always he is going. I seldom read magazines. Seldom means here rarely, not always. Magazine reading is there, how and when. Seldom means rarely, in between, if 1 week, in a week only 2 or 3 days, that means seldom. We always travel by train. Always means what? Always, we will use the word always in our conversation also, means regularly we are using the train to travel. This is also how they are traveling, answer to the question how they are traveling in the train, and when? Always. They rarely eat fast food, means fast food they are not eating all days but rarely, in between the days they are eating the fast food. So, adverbs of frequency, these are the main adverbs of frequency and you have to learn it and understand the meaning. Then next we have to study about a poster. See here children, poster means we are through picture we are representing, we are presenting one theme through picture, and few writing means like quotes we are writing, not a long, we are not including a long content, but the theme should be clear through our picture and few writings we can include. That is speciality of poster. Basically we are giving importance to the picture. Through picture we are revealing one idea, we are expressing one idea, and few slogans or thoughts we can include inside that. Okay, that is poster. So, here from this picture, this poster you can understand how to save our earth. See, we have to keep grow trees and save animals, don't cut trees. See, by seeing the picture, don't waste water and recycling process and pollution. Next, use cycle means less pollution, and use me means waste, you have to keep the waste in proper places. So, this poster and this also save earth. The right side you can see someone is cutting and left side someone is planting. There green nature we can see, but here it is red. See all the pollution and in the right side. So, like this way we have to present one content according to the topic, you have to draw the picture. That is poster. See, one more poster is given here. See, it is another version, means picture is also there, but the small writings are there. This little more writings are little more, but it is also another version of a poster. So, that is about it, and you will have the homework from the part of vocabulary, grammar and phonics junction. You have to complete all the works, and see the sixth one, make a poster on a topic related to environment in your English notebook. Means you have to draw a poster in your English notebook. What is the topic? Environment means protection or what is happening in our environment, anything, pollution you can include. So, related with the environment. So, you have to draw a poster in your English notebook, and remaining 5 homeworks you have to do in the textbook only. Okay children, in the next class we can learn another chapter. Thank you.